Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving on West Kings House Road up to Hope Road. So we just turned onto West Kings House Road off of Constant Spring Road. So this part of West Kings House Road have a lot of commercial places. That's the Della Penna Funeral Home on the left. You have a office building on the left, and on the right you have 13 West. On the left here now is coming up is a restaurant. 13 West is a commercial complex. So it's a very, very busy road. And it's called West Kings House Road because road is to the west of Kings House, and then you have East Kings House Road, which is to the east of Kings House. So if we continue straight on this road, we will go to the back entrance of Kings House. Sorry. So on the left is the Fontana Pharmacy. This used to be the Color Cemetery land, but it was used for this development. There's a Wendy's over there and a Starbucks, and of course you can see the Fontana sign. So if we turn left here now, we go on to Upper Waterloo Road, and that takes us back to Shortwood Road. We turn right, we go onto Waterloo Road, and that takes us to Hope Road. So on the left, that's the Canadian Embassy. Very popular embassy in Jamaica because there are three places that Jamaicans visit a lot: the UK, the USA, and Canada. And if you have a Jamaican passport and you need to travel to any of those places, you need to get a visa. And to get the visa, you have to go into the embassy for an interview. So it's a very popular place. So we're going to go straight and stay on West Kings House Road and take West Kings House Road over to Devon Road and then go over to Hope Road via that route. There you can see the police with their lights. Somebody finally stopped to give them way. Okay, so as we go across the road now, we're going to come to more of the residential part now. You're going to see a lot of apartments and townhouses in this area. So we're now on Devon Road, heading towards Hope Road. Wow. Okay, on the right is the Embassy Apartments, very popular apartments, but this road is full of apartments or townhouses. Okay, if we turn left here now, we go up to the office of the Prime Minister, but we're going to turn right here because there's just too much traffic. We're going to go back out to Waterloo Road and then take Waterloo Road down to Hope Road. On the left is the Coffee Board, on the right is the Terranova Hotel, and that tall building straight ahead is 20 South. It's an apartment building. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on, but there's just way too much traffic, so we're going to turn around and head up the Dunrobin area through to Barbican, because there's just, I don't know, today's a Friday. It's 11:30 in the morning. Don't understand why there's so much traffic. Alright, so we're going to head back this way. So there's an entrance to the Turnover Hotel on the left. Going to see the Canadian Embassy from another angle. So we are on Waterloo Road now. We're going to go across the light and go on to Upper Waterloo Road. If we turn left, we take West Kings House Road down to Constant Spring Road. And if we turn right, we take West Kings House Road up to Devon Road. On the left is the Ligor Business Center, on the right is Annette Crescent, and where you see these cars coming out on the left, that is the entrance, one of the entrances to Megamart. Alright, so we're going to turn right here now and go on Old Church Road, and this will take us into the Dunrobin area. Not Dunrobin, this isn't Dunrobin, this is okay, the name has slipped me, but I'll tell you soon. But this is Old Church Road. Drumblair. This is a Drumblair area, and it has a lot of apartments. And you can see some more going up straight ahead. And as we go around the corner, this part of the road is a one-way. You're going to see a lot of apartment buildings. Sometimes you have to wonder, how do they find the parking? Because these are not big lots, and there are some massive structures on them. Sometimes you have to wonder, how do they find the parking spaces for all these structures? There's another one going up straight ahead. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.